Menopause brings a major hormonal shift that affects nearly every system in a woman's body. Sleep may be disrupted by night sweats, while mood swings, anxiety, and memory changes are common. The skin becomes thinner, hair may lose density, and sexual health can be affected. Muscles and joints may also weaken. These changes can feel overwhelming, but understanding what's happening can help you navigate this transition with greater confidence, energy, and overall well-being. As cortisol levels rise and estrogen levels decline, you may notice shifts in your energy, mood, and even your waistline, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and not quite like yourself. But remember, this isn't your fault. Your body is simply adapting to a new hormonal balance, and the great news is, you can help it thrive. Today, you'll discover 7 simple bodyweight exercises designed to support your body during and after menopause. These movements act like natural hormone therapy, helping restore balance, boost energy, and make you feel strong and vibrant again. Before we get started, feel free to say hi in the comments. It's so inspiring to see everyone joining this journey to feel confident, energized, and years younger. Exercise 1. Kneeling Glute Kickback. The kneeling glute kickback is a powerful exercise during menopause, a true strength and stability booster. It targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, helping to improve posture, balance, and overall lower body strength. Strengthening these muscles also supports joint health and mobility, which can decline during menopause. How to perform the kneeling glute kickback. Begin the exercise on all fours. Position your body so that your hands are placed firmly on the floor directly beneath your shoulders, and your knees are aligned underneath your hips. Keep your spine in a neutral position, your core gently engaged, and your gaze focused slightly forward or down to maintain a straight line from your head to your tailbone. Lift one leg, bending the knee at 90 degrees, and press your foot toward the ceiling. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed between your hands and knees. Create a stable foundation before lifting your leg and performing the exercise. You can also rest on your elbows for stability. Lower your leg slowly without touching the floor, keeping control and tension in your glutes. Repeat the same motion on the other leg, ensuring that your form stays steady throughout the exercise. To increase resistance and challenge, you can use a resistance band around your thighs or just above your knees. Move slowly and with control to fully engage the glutes. Avoid arching your lower back, keep your core tight. To increase the challenge and variation, perform the exercise while standing with a resistance band around your thighs or knees. Or take it up a notch with a glute machine to really fire up those glutes and hamstrings. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. Exercise 2. Glute Bridge. The glute bridge is a powerful ally during menopause, a true stress-fighting exercise. It strengthens the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while helping to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that can rise during this stage of life. Activating large muscle groups sends signals that calm the body and support hormonal balance. This exercise also supports better posture, which can decline with lower bone density, and strengthens the lower back, helping you feel stronger, more confident, and resilient. How to perform the glute bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Keep your arms at your sides, palms down. Squeeze your glutes and tilt your pelvis upward, lifting your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Keep your core slightly engaged to avoid arching your lower back. Alternatively, you can place a loop band just above your knees to increase resistance and further engage your abductor muscles. This variation not only intensifies the exercise but also helps improve hip stability and overall lower body strength. Repetitions. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 3. Squats. Squats are a powerhouse exercise during menopause, essential for maintaining muscle, metabolism, and bone health. They target the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and core while stimulating endorphins and growth hormones, helping combat mood swings and energy dips caused by declining estrogen. Squats also support bone density, particularly in the hips and spine, which is crucial for reducing the risk of osteoporosis. How to perform squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointing outward. Keep your chest lifted and spine neutral. Push your hips back and bend your knees to lower into a squat, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor or lower if comfortable. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and weight in your heels. Press through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Tips. Avoid letting your knees collapse inward. Don't lean too far forward, keep your chest upright. Repetitions. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Exercise 4. Calf raises. Often overlooked in many exercise routines, calf strength becomes especially important during menopause. Women in this stage of life frequently experience leg swelling, heaviness, or nighttime cramps, all issues that stronger calves can help alleviate. The calves are sometimes called the body's second heart because they play a vital role in pumping blood back to the heart. During menopause, when cardiovascular health can be more vulnerable due to declining estrogen, maintaining strong calves is crucial. In addition to improving circulation, calf raises stabilize the ankles and reduce the risk of falls, a key benefit as bone density naturally decreases with age. How to perform calf raises correctly. Stand with your feet hip width apart and flat on the floor. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising up onto the balls of your feet. Squeeze your calf muscles at the top, hold briefly, then slowly lower your heels back down. Alternatively, find a sturdy step or elevated surface. Place the balls of your feet on the edge so your heels hang off freely. Tips for best results. Lower your heels down below the step to feel a stretch in your calves. Calves are made mostly of slow twitch fibers, so longer sets are particularly effective. And increasing time under tension can further enhance results. Start with 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, resting about 1 minute between sets. By consistently practicing calf raises, you'll enhance circulation, improve stability, and support your overall well-being during menopause. Exercise 5. Lunges. Lunges are a powerful exercise during menopause, strengthening the glutes, quads, and hamstrings while enhancing balance and stability. They help maintain muscle mass, support joint health, and stimulate growth hormones, all crucial for countering the effects of declining estrogen. Lunges also improve mobility in the hips and ankles, making everyday movements easier and helping you feel more agile and confident. How to perform lunges. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Step forward with your right leg, lowering your body until both knees form roughly 90-degree angles. Keep your front knee aligned with your ankle and your back knee hovering just above the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. For lunges, you can perform them either as alternating lunges, stepping forward with one leg and then the other, or as single leg lunges, focusing on one leg at a time. Tips. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. Avoid letting the front knee extend past the toes. Adding weights increases resistance, forcing your muscles to work harder, which helps enhance muscular endurance and strength. It also promotes better muscle definition, and can boost calorie burn due to the increased effort required. Repetitions. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg, resting 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 6. Push-ups. Push-ups are a total body powerhouse that help counteract the muscle and bone loss caused by declining estrogen. They strengthen the chest, arms, shoulders, and abs, supporting bone density and metabolism, especially helpful for reducing stubborn belly fat. As a weight-bearing exercise, push-ups stimulate bone formation in the arms and wrists while improving posture and daily strength. They help stabilize the spine, enhance balance, and support overall functional fitness, making them one of the most effective moves for maintaining muscle tone and bone health as you age. If you're a beginner, you can start with kneeling push-ups to build strength and gradually progress to the full version. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line from your knees to your head, engaging your core and maintaining control through each movement. This steady progression helps you build proper form, prevent injury, and develop long-term strength and confidence. There are many types of push-ups, but it's best to start with the variation that matches your current strength level. As you build endurance and confidence, you can gradually progress to more challenging versions to keep improving your muscle tone and stability. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps, increasing gradually as your strength improves. Exercise 7. Plank. Planks are often linked to toned abs, but their real power lies in how they stabilize your entire core and support hormonal health. During menopause, fluctuating hormones often contribute to increased abdominal fat and changes in body composition. Planks help counter this by engaging deep core muscles, especially the transverse abdominis and obliques. It is your body's natural corset, which supports posture, stabilizes the spine, and can help reduce the appearance of belly fat. For women experiencing menopause, maintaining strong core muscles can support better spinal mobility. Just a few minutes a day can help offset the effects of hormonal changes while promoting long-term strength and stability. How to do it? Start on your forearms and toes, elbows under shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Draw your belly button toward your spine and tighten your glutes. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing steadily. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise. Gradually increase your hold time as strength improves. If needed, modify by resting your knees on the floor. Aim for 3 to 4 plank sessions per week. Final thoughts. Consistency matters more than duration. Regular practice will yield lasting results. These 7 exercises are simple yet transformative. They target exactly what your body needs during menopause: stronger muscles, better balance, improved circulation, and a calmer mind. Remember, progress takes time, but every repetition brings you closer to renewed vitality and confidence. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support really helps us create more quality content for you. Share this video with friends who might find it useful, and let's grow our community of curious minds together. Stay tuned for more tips, insights, and informative videos coming your way soon.